Introducing UO Smart Beam Laser, a lightweight 2-inch cube that can do so much. Simply connect with your phone. Watch your favorite videos right on your wall. It's focus-free, so take it with you wherever you go. Project any contents on any surface, at any place, at any time. Enjoy great sounds with the built-in speaker that can fill up your whole room. Class 1 laser means no worries about harming your eyes. Wired or wireless connection with various devices. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy 150-inch screen theater right in your home. My life with UO. UO Smart Beam Laser.